Yesterday, after my sports activity, I treated myself with an extra large cup of Starbucks. This is Matcha Frappuccino, the iced. I had that, which is so tasty, and I paid around $6.30, I guess, Canadian dollar, including tax. So I thought I could do this at home, maybe even tastier than that, who knows. Anyway, all you need is the sweet matcha powder, the real Japanese one. I know Starbucks use the sweet matcha, so that's exactly the same. And I think they use almond milk, I'm not sure. You could use any regular milk, it's still fine. I'm using the 2%. And to make it simple, if you don't have a ice crusher or a expensive blender, all you need is a cobbler shaker and some ice. That's all you need to make this amazing drink. So let me show you how to do this. I don't need a machine for this, but all I'm going to do is I'll take some hot water in my cobbler shaker, very little. So you can switch on, there is a hot water dispenser in Breville. That's all you need. Just a bit so that the matcha powder mixes well. I got some hot water from the machine, so I'm going to take 2 spoons of sweet matcha. Okay, now give a good stir. Even if you don't stir, it's fine because we are going to shake it. That should be good. I think it mixed well. I don't see any big clumps. It looks thick liquid. That's the consistency you need. Next, you add some ice. Just give a gentle stir. And now you can pour the milk. Like I said, it can be almond milk or it can be oat milk. So I'm using the regular 2% milk. And fill 3/4 way. That should be good. That's how it looks. Now we are going to close this and give a nice shake. Make sure you tighten it or else the milk can leak. And now comes the shaking part. Hold your hand on the top so that this won't come off, and at the bottom. That's how I shake. Just make sure it's not leaking. If you close it tight enough, it won't be leaking. That should be good, I guess. So let's pour it to the glass. Look at that. So that's how you make this amazing drink. Look at the froth from the cobbler shaker. I'm going to taste this. Let's see. Okay. Wow, that's so refreshing. I would say it's better than Starbucks. If you don't believe me, make it and let me know in the comments below. This is really tasty and so sweet. Remember, I did not even add sugar. It's a sweet matcha, which has 9 grams of sugar in it, the cane sugar. So if you are not into sugar, if you're doing some keto diet, you could buy the plain matcha powder. You could add stevia or xylitol or any other sweetener. So I hope you enjoyed today's short video. Make this and let me know if you enjoy this, and please like the video, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll be posting more videos related to coffee, tea and other summer drinks. So stay tuned. See you next time. Bye for now. And it's healthy.